staking is especially beneficial for for leaders, for team builders, and all who are trying to actually attract new audience, people who are not already a part of MLM, people who are not already a part of the network marketing industry. They've never tried network marketing industry, and some people actually get scared because what they hear online even before they try it for themselves. So now here is an opportunity to bring them in. How do you bring them in? Well, let's say anybody who's already into crypto space, they're storing their crypto in some or the other wallet anyway, without getting much profit. If they put it in staking here, they can just have maybe a 10 or 100 XRP package, but they can have big amount in their wallet that they can put for staking. So for example, if they decide to stake 10,000 XRP for 360 days, that means they start receiving profit as daily profit as per 125% annual. Okay. So as per 125% annual profit, they start receiving XRP in their the profit daily on 10,000 XRP. Now, let's say, for example, after 90 days, in 90 days, they have accumulated how much? In 90 days, they have accumulated, for example, 3,000 XRP just from the profit. Now remember, their principal is there. It's separate. They have earned this in profit separately. Now they can actually choose to buy a package with this 3,000 that they have earned in profit. What does that essentially mean? This was not this money is not going out of their pocket. In a way, they've bought a package for free on which you're going to receive commission, rewards, all different types of commissions, team bonus, and everything. This principle for them is withdrawable at any point in time that they want. All they need to do is send a message if they want to withdraw the principal. So the good part here is, unlike packages, when you buy package, the reward that you receive on a daily basis, the airdrop that you receive on a daily basis, is consistent part of your principal amount and part of profit. That's why once you're done earning 400%, then your package expires because it consists of your principal amount as well. The 100% is essentially 100% plus 300% in a way. Once you're done earning this goes away too because it's included in this. But here in staking, that's not the case. Staking is principal plus profit. These two things are separate. So principal is there in the back office, and plus whatever they earn as profit is separate. Okay, whatever they earn as profit is separate. So if they choose to not directly buy a package, they can simply stake whatever amount they want, 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, whatever, and they can either withdraw that, enjoy it, or if they choose, they can buy another package with that. What happens in the earlier example that I explained. Now, let's take the entire year's example. Let's take 1,000 as an example here, and they choose to stake it for 360 days. That means they're going to receive 125% annual. So that means essentially they have earned 1,000, the principal that's there, plus they have earned 1,250 annually. Now, if they buy package with this 1,250, what it means, the principal is back to them. The 1,250, if they buy a package with that, they can make 4x on this. That means essentially for close to 5,000 XRP. 5,000 XRP they can make without putting anything at risk at all. This is the potential of staking. And as I mentioned, especially for people who are not very familiar with network marketing model, as people want to try out something before, they want to dip their toes before they're jumping with both their feet. So this is really, really excellent for them because essentially they're getting to buy a package without paying anything from their pocket and making 4x from that. So now if you have, I hope everybody understood what staking is and how it's going to go in the system, because then we'll go to the income that leaders are going to make on staking. Okay. Now for leaders, again, this presents as an additional stream of income. And while on the presentation, you only see one thing, that is level bonus for staking, which is 8% for direct, then 2%, then 1%, and then 0.5%, all the way for 20 levels. But there's actually more. First off, anybody on your team who's taking whatever amount, the profit that they're going to receive, you're going to receive a percentage of that. So that's ROI on ROI, and that's a long-term sustainable income. But secondly, when they choose to buy a package with the profit that they have made, then you earn direct commission, level bonus, team bonus on that all over again. So, I don't suppose that there could be a better model than this. Now, if you have
Sweeta,
any
just one
questions,
thing. I've got a question.
yeah,
If you are staking, do you have to have a staking package to receive all the commissions, like what do you call this? Like the other one on the
you
accelerator?
just need to have, as a leader, you need to have a 500 XRP active package. So it could either be one package of 500 XRP or multiple packs put together. It's the same qualification that's required for team bonus. So if you qualified, if you have a 500 XRP active package, you're qualified to receive staking bonus as well.
Oh, okay. Thank you. That's very clear. Thank you.
Thank you. So I hope that you understood the power of staking and what we've brought to the system, because this is going to skyrocket everybody's income, as now you will be able to bring in people who are not existing network marketing, customers, or who do not want to probably get involved in network marketing because they've not had experience in this. Now, I know that for sure anybody who has experience in network marketing, who's been a leader in network marketing, they will choose network marketing over anything else. But it's the people who are outside, on other side of the fence, who don't have personal experience with this, that, shy away from this. Now, not only this, again, we always try and make sure that we maximize the income that you can make from this platform and open multiple streams of income for you. Now, adding forex trading is a part of the same process. Now, we added forex trading to our platform on the 15th of November when we launched in Barcelona, Spain, when we launched the company. And right now, from tomorrow on, there's an amazing offer only valid for internal transfers from XAB. If you transfer any amount from XAB to the forex trading platform Avora, you will receive 100% bonus, tradable bonus. That means if you transfer 100 XRP or dollars rather, because everything is in USD there, if you transfer 100 USD, you receive another 100 USD as bonus. If you transfer 1,000, then you receive another 1,000 in bonus. The maximum that you can do is 2,000, though it's capped at 2,000. The bonus is capped at 2,000. You can transfer any amount that you want, but the bonus is capped at 2,000. However, it's 100% additional trading bonus that you're going to get. And we've got a lot of people on this call, including actually Ash, Tony, and all as well, who can vouch for how amazing the platform is and how it actually helps you, gives you another avenue to multiply your income through Forex trading without actually having to trade yourself. In fact, that's the best part. If you're a trader, you can do that. But if you're not, you don't have to trade yourself. In fact, you don't even probably need to go to copy trading essentially because you're making also money on your team's trading. Any number of lots that are traded for your team, you're making income on that per lot. So again, that's another residual income that you get from the system. So we've added many streams of residual income in this platform now that makes this system very, very long term and very, very sustainable as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Shweta. There's a few messages we just like to for this questions, to be honest.
Mhm.
So the first one has been answered. Do I need to purchase a new package? No, if you have an active 500 XRP package, you are 100% ready to go. And they say when they stake, does that count towards the team bonus? Very good question, Deborah.
I wish it did, but the point is that, in whenever you stake, as I mentioned, your principal is separate and the percentage you receive is separate, and also you can withdraw your principal at any point in time. You can break the staking. Even if you stake for 365 days, you can choose to break that staking tomorrow. And because of that reason, we cannot include that in the team bonus. But if they buy a package, even from the profit that they have made, that does count in your team bonus.
Okay, so Deborah, I hope this answers question. Any other question, guys? Because it's very important today. If anybody has
Queenie
any,
has a question.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, Queenie,
come
please go
out,
ahead.
please.
Hi, Shredder. I just want to just piggyback on Deborah's question, just to make it really clear. So we've got our arbitrage bot packages, our normal core system, and then you've got your staking. So for the qualification, uh, do you need to have a 500 staking stack separate to your 500 arbitrage bot to qualify for the bonus,
No,
for the staking?
absolutely not. As long
Okay.
as you have overall 500 XRP active packages in the system, you're qualified.
Oh, you're a beauty. That's
Mm.
amazing. Thank you. All
That
right.
is amazing. Yeah,
Awesome
that is the good
testing.
news, guys. Queenie, any other questions? I mean, any of the leaders? I need to have very clarification on this because this is the call we do on Mondays, guys. If anybody is confused about everything, if anybody needs to know any answers from the company, any question, raise your hand. We will unmute you, and then you can ask all the questions, and that would be amazing because we are a very, very transparent company. Whatever you need to see, whatever you need to ask, we answer them as transparently as possible in this course. If not, let's hand it back to Shweta, and if Jack or Rehan is coming, we can take it from there. Thank you.
Rehan has a very bad case of, backache
Right.
today. We're supposed to be in office here today, but because of his back, he's not able to move around at
Okay,
all.
so I think we have a question from Mr. Roberts. Hans is an amazing. He was taking Germany from German, and he is
Yes,
basing really. I can unmute yourself, my friend. Thank you.
family. One question, how long does it take to connect the XRP platform, XAB platform to the Forex platform? Do we have a do-it-yourself YouTube video?
Yes, we do have video, and it only takes a couple of minutes. In your back office, you can just click a few buttons and connect it. That's how simple it is. We can share I think Ash already has the video, so he can share that with you.
Super
Yeah, it
cool.
should be easy. It's very easy. Just go to your back office on your profile, just connect Forex like anything else. It's very easy. We'll do that for you anyway. Uh, any other question,
Okay,
guys?
now, so we just got a question from Iranga, and he's asking that if somebody is taking for 360 days, but he decides to pull out in 250 days, what happens? So I will explain that with an example. If somebody is taking, let's say, 1,000, And for 360 days, they're supposed to get as per 125%, but should they decide to pull out in 250 days instead, they would get paid as per 50% for 180 days, because that's the time that they have completed. Because it's either like 180 days or 360 days. So they will get as per 180 days, 50%. Does that answer your question, Iranga? I'm not sure if he's able to. Okay, great.
Yes, thank you. Thanks, Shweta.
You're welcome. All right. Should you have any other questions regarding this? I'm very happy to answer.
Guys, any other questions?
Sorry,
Raise
what's
your
the
hand.
very quickly, Shweta, what's the process of stopping it? Is it matter of writing to
The support team, yeah, just the way you do it for acceleration, you just write to our support team and they can
Okay.
support it.
All right, okay, thanks.
You're welcome.